You just want to save a Radharani.
Yeah.
Here, there, anywhere.
Yeah.
So many verses. I'll go to hell. I don't care. I'll go anywhere if I can serve the Lord.
Yes.
What's that verse? Narayanam Kutascha. It's in 6th canto of Bhagavatam. There's that verse. There's several verses in different places about I don't mind going to hell or if I can serve the Lord. So the Rag Bhakta and the Mandri Bhav Sadhana, he just wants to have Radharani service always, life after life. Bhagavad Bhakti. Just like it says, there's a verse in Radharani Sudhanidhi, it says, Janmani, I remember that because it reminded me of the same of the Shikshasana. It says, Janmani, Bhavatam, Radha Kinkari. I just want life after life. So this verse is, Mama Janmani Ishwari. But life after life, I want to be a devotee of Ishvara, Vasudev Ishvara, Jagat Ishvara. But in the Ragmarg, we say, Mama Janmani. It's the same thing as Mama Janmani. It says Mama Janmani, Bhavatam, Radha Kinkari. Syat, Radha Kinkari Syat.
Oh, that's good. Tasya Kadapi.
Sounds, maybe, I can't. Yeah, I can't remember much shlokas these days. Yeah, maybe it sounds familiar. Yeah, beyond all the... Yeah, you have a young brain and a good brain, good birth. I memorized many shlokas. Now, I wrote a bunch of shlokas down from Rasa Lila, which we taught last. And I have my book, and I was looking at it and trying to memorize it. It wasn't happening. So I said, okay. It wasn't happening. Because I have another verse book from 1975 I brought to India with me. There's about 600 verses in it, which I memorized for preaching. 600. Yeah. And then now I can't hardly learn one. Yeah. So now if something sticks with me and I'm good with it, and it's comfortable, then... Yes. Because I don't know, the brain, Krishna gives, Krishna takes away. Yeah. Veno karani patitam. Yeah. Slowly, this one, that's one I have on my list to memorize, and my brain's a little cool. I have that memorized. It's too good. The Radharani's Prabhav. That's the sidelong glance and what effect it has on Krishna. Flute drops from his hand, the pugri and the peacock crown falls off, spins off his head. Skalitam, even sounds like skit scattle, or whatever it sounds like. Skalitam sounds like some American slang word. And then it's Yoga Brashta. I always think of this verse, Yoga Brashta, Vijayate. It says Pita Brashta, or whatever it is. He falls from the yoga path, Yoga Brashtam. Because brushed is the same word as there, brushed is the same as Vita. So I like this. I thought, this reminds me, because Yoginam Brashta, so Suchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Brashta Vichayate, right? Suchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Brashta Vijayate. So one who falls from the yoga, brushed. So it's Pita Brashta. He falls from his dhoti, and his dhoti falls from him. He drops his dhoti, and then Vimorchita, completely bewildered. Beautiful. Yeah, there's some really classic verses there in that Rasa Lila, which we'll dive into.
But you're going to take in Kartik?
Yeah, we have more nectar and the ras to churn from the Rasa Lila. I'm just starting to prepare for classes.